During this past year, Exact Solar's entire team of engineers, designers, and permitting personnel have embraced the Scan-A-Fly drone technology over traditional site surveying processes. We'd like to explain why and how that helps you, Mr. and Mrs. Homeowner. Safety is our #1 priority. Drones eliminate the need for manual roof inspections, reducing accidents and injuries during the surveying process on your property. Accuracy is crucial for your solar installation. Drones equipped with advanced technology capture highly accurate measurements of your roof and surroundings. Unlike the traditional process of hand-drawing the roof measurements still used by most installers, the drone's accuracy and the Scan-A-Fly software ensure a custom-tailored solar solution that optimizes energy generation potential. Drones enable faster and more accurate data collection, speeding up project completion and minimizing disruption to your daily life for our site visit. The specialized Scan-A-Fly software Exact Solar uses generates accurate 3D models and visualizations of your property. This allows for better design choices and provides accurate information with which you can make an informed decision by visualizing the impact on your home's aesthetics. Start your solar journey confidently with clean, renewable energy for your home by allowing Exact Solar to visit for a site survey and drone flyover. Contact Exact Solar today and take the first step towards a brighter and sustainable future.